In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Sam's Club. The first thing you need to do is make sure your business is eligible to sell on the platform. Before you apply, it's important to have a few essentials ready. You'll need a registered business, a valid business tax ID such as an EIN if you're in the United States, a business bank account, and products that comply with Sam's Club marketplace policies. Taking a moment to prepare these items in advance can make the application process much smoother and help you avoid delays later on. Once you're ready, head over to the Sam's Club Marketplace Seller application page. This is where you'll begin the process of becoming a marketplace seller. Fill out the online application with your business information carefully and make sure everything is accurate. You may also be asked to submit business verification documents, so be prepared to provide those if requested. Accuracy matters here, because incomplete or inconsistent information can slow down the review process. After you submit your application, the next step is to wait for approval. Sam's Club will review your submission, and if your business is approved, you'll receive access to the Seller Center. This is the main dashboard where you'll manage your store, products, and day-to-day selling activity. Once you have access, it's time to set up your seller account, complete your business profile, add your payment and banking information, configure your shipping and return policies, and set up your tax information. This part is especially important because it lays the foundation for how your business will operate on the marketplace. A complete and accurate setup can help prevent operational issues once orders start coming in. Next, you'll list your products. For each product, add a clear title, a detailed description, high-quality images, the price, available inventory, quantity, and shipping details. Make sure your listings are accurate and follow Sam's Club content guidelines. Well-prepared listings not only help with compliance, but also make it easier for customers to understand exactly what they're buying. After your products are live, keep your inventory levels updated. Good inventory management helps you avoid overselling, which can lead to canceled orders and a poor customer experience. When you receive an order, package the item securely, ship it within the required handling time, upload tracking information promptly, and respond to customer inquiries when needed. Staying organized during fulfillment is key to maintaining strong seller performance. Finally, monitor your performance regularly. Pay close attention to your on-time shipping rate, order cancellation rate,